Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Still RBA. In this video, we will be looking at how can we handle unknown pop-ups which are appearing on our applications, target applications, like it can be a desktop or a web browser application. So in this, we are going to W3 Schools website and where we will be looking at JS pop-up alert, which will help us simple JavaScript code in order to generate our pop-ups. So click on try it out, and when we click on try it, we get the JavaScript pop-up, which we need to click on OK, right? So here we will be using application or browser, and we will identify this target browser application and where we need to handle this unknown pop. So for that, we will be using Close Popup, and please make sure that you have the UI automation activity packages updated to the preview version of 24.4.1 or 24.4.2. So only with this preview versions we can able to see this pop-up. Still, it was in the beta version, and now we have these two pop-ups, and let us look at the properties of it. So we have the detected exception, like in case if you are expecting that the pop-up might be based on some exception or like whatever the message you are thinking, or else what you can do is to get to know whether the pop-up is handled or not. So we will create an output variable here by hitting on Control K, pop-up handler, and we will give the timeout also because we will be doing some negative testing also, like because we doesn't want to wait for a longer time. So I'll just put only 1 second instead of 30 seconds. And now we will have a pop-up here, and make sure that even if pop-up is not available or pop-up is not handled also, it will not throw any error. So in order to get to know whether the pop-up is handled or not, we will be writing it in a log message, and we'll be setting info level, and whatever the variable we created as an output for the closed pop-up, so we will just pop-up handler dot toString. So this will give us whether the pop-up is handled or not. Okay, now let us run this, and still because we haven't given the OK level into the application or into the activity whatever we provided, it will not handle it. And let us see what message it is giving us. You might be blocked by a pop-up window, found possible close buttons, but none of the labels configured in the activity match. Because why we are getting is whatever the labels we mentioned here, close and cancel, both are not available on the pop-up because we have an OK button, right? So what we will do is we'll just give OK and hit enter. And it doesn't matter whether you are giving a capital letters or a small letters. And now let us run this flow and see. Here we go. It handled the pop-up by clicking on OK because we have given OK button. And let us see what the log message was handled. So it is saying that it could successfully able to handle the pop-up. And now we will go to the another code where we will be getting two buttons instead of one. And when you click on try it, you have OK and cancel, right? So now we will come here, and now we will identify this browser to the new browser, and now we will run this. Sorry. Now we will click on try it. So now we have OK and cancel, and let us run this flow. Now it will click on the cancel button, but your expectation, in case if let us suppose your expectation is that it needs to click on OK, but it is clicking on cancel. Though we have both the labels. The reason is it will go in an order whatever the labels we have defined. So first it will look for the close, and if it is not found, it will look for the cancel. If it is not found, then only it will go for the OK. So let us suppose my handling should be go with OK, not with the cancel. So what we need to do is we need to just remove this and click on right on cancel here. Even if it is there or not there, it doesn't matter because second one itself is OK and that is found, right? So it will handle it now. Let me run this. Here we go. Now it clicked on OK. So in the order whatever we are defining, in the similar order, the pop-up will be handled with the functionalities of order, whatever the labels we have given. And we can get the output response as well, whether the pop-up is able to, what could able to handle the pop-up or not. And also we can give the timeout as well in order to wait for the application. And now go to the Excel. So this is going to be my pop-up, and let me identify this. Now it should get click on cancel, or a close is there, so it may close. Click on the close. Yeah. If you see here, because the close is at the beginning, and we have a cross symbol, right? So it will go with the close application. Perfect. So this is how it is going to handle the pop-ups. So hope you like the video, and please like, share, subscribe to Skill RPA YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.